A judge has ruled on a decision that could change the water many of you drink. Just over a week ago, the Central Alabama Water announced it was no longer adding fluoride to its water supply. On Friday, the city filed the suit over that action, arguing it was against state code because they didn't give the state health officer enough notice. WVTM 13's Maya Caleb has been following this for us.
Just this afternoon, Judge Frederick Bowling granted that restraining order and scheduled a hearing for April 2nd. This means the Central Alabama Water Board will have to show why they want fluoride removed permanently. I learned more about this controversy by speaking with the Central Alabama Water Board, the Jefferson County Department of Health, and the City of Birmingham today. The City of Birmingham referred us to the details in the complaint and the temporary restraining order that was filed on Friday. The city listed Central Alabama Water CEO Jeffrey Thompson as well as board members Jeffrey Brumlow, Bill Morris, Thomas Hudson, Philip Wiedmeyer, and State Representative David Stanbridge in the complaint. They allege Thompson and other defendants concealed information about fluoride being removed from the water. We reached out to board members and Central Alabama Water staff for information. While saying they would not comment on current legal matters, they did forward information outlining how the former Birmingham Waterworks Board did notify the State Health Department and Environmental Management of the temporary stoppage of fluoride in 2023 and 2024. We also spoke with the Jefferson County Health Department on the fluoride removal, as well as claims from one CAW board member on the temporary fluoride removal from 3 water plants. JCDH says it was not aware of previous removals and responded with the statement that reads, "The Alabama Department of Public Health would notify the local health department of any permanent change in water fluoridation status rather than a temporary discontinuance." When speaking with the county's health officer about the decision to remove the fluoride permanently, here's what he had to say.
What I would like to have is a conversation with the Central Alabama leadership, Central Alabama Water leadership, just to understand why they may or may not want to fluoridate the water. I would like to be able to share my perspective and just sit down and have a conversation. And that's really what all it's about.
The city's complaint also noted 90,000 people who use the city's water will face irreparable injury by the move. Again, Judge Bowling has scheduled that hearing for April 2nd in Jefferson County Court. In Birmingham, Maya Caleb, WVTM 13.